Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to use Temu referral code. So let's get into the video. So if you have received a referral code from someone through their app, so someone has given you the code and you want to use it to get some to claim some discounts or offers through the code. So what you can do, firstly launch the Temu application. So launch the application and make sure that you are logged into it. Alright, so once you've logged in and once you've logged into your account, so all you have to do now here is click on the U tab here. So click on it. So once you get to U tab here, you will see an option called coupons and offers. So click on coupons and offers. So here you will have an option here to enter the coupon. So you simply enter the coupon and then tap on apply. So once you hit on apply, this coupon will be applied to your account and you can proceed with the whatever feature it has, like discounts or any other offers or anything. So it will be applied. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.